Hi, this is Silent Solution. Today we are how to installation Python 3.10 Windows 11 on Windows 11. Let's go. First of all, we are open our CMD terminal. Here is the right file Python. We can add installation just to get Microsoft, but we are not had installation. We are authentic website. Go to Python. Python download. Here is Python website. Here is download. We are just for Windows 11. It took some time. We are wait. I say Python version, but we are not Python version. We're already download. Here is the download. Here you can here is the Linux, Mac, other operating system you can see and download. But we are just Windows platform. That's why you have to download Windows platform. Here is the open. Just here is you can your installation or customize is okay. Next. Installation running. Yes. We'll just wait some time for finishing installation. Already our process is running. Already successfully our Python is done. Just we're close here and sus button where Python where see again Python version no need, but we are search Python Paris Python where latest there is Python or Python is installation is done. Where here is just Python x equal 5 y equal 10 print x sorry. Friend, thanks for watching.